Hello everyone, welcome to Quanta AI Labs n8n series. In this series, we are learning about n8n and how to use this thing. In this video, we mostly talk about the basic workflow. Now we deep dive into the workflows, how to make them, how to use them for your businesses. So first, we need a trigger point. So let's take a manual trigger for now. And if we see we need AI to write something for us, AI model. So let's take Grok. We can take a Grok. Grok. So these are the model they are providing. How to install the API? Click on the credential, add the API over there. Close. So I already have this API. So how you got this API? So go to the Grok cloud. This one and API key. Just create one for n8n and it's done. Okay, here you are able to see on playground, you are able to see the models which all present in the Grok cloud. You can use them. Okay, once we have this one, so let's use basic LLM. Okay. So they give the chat interface, they are not using this one. Okay. So here the chat, this is the basic LLM, and here we need the output. Okay, this is the interface. Right now we are using a Llama 3.8. Okay, so if I send them hi, so it will run this workflow. So hi, nice to meet you. I'm this one. Okay, hi, nice to meet you. Is there something I can help you with? So who is talking here? It is talking like the LLM is talking to us. Okay, if I write a prompt, now let's go on the prompt engineering part, which we already talked. So let's write what we need to write. Okay, we need a email act as market analyst. Act as market analyst. Write post on daily market update. Okay, so we write a simple prompt, act as a market analyst and write a daily post. Write a post on a daily market update. Okay, and we save it. Now let's test this one. Test. Hi, daily market update, Dow Jones, this one, and okay, let me show you. So good morning, fellow traders and investors. These are the daily market updates we got. So here you can use this. Here you can use this way. How to use a Grok chatbot to get a daily market updates on your email. Now you want this on your Gmail. For example, you want this thing on your Gmail. Okay. We need a send a message, send a mail, triggers. Oh, get a label, nothing, send a message. Okay. Now credentials. Okay. I don't have a credential for this one. Wait. Let me add. In the previous video, I already told you about how to make a credential on this. We need Google Cloud GCP. Yeah. Google Cloud Platform, just log in on this one. I already in this. Click on console. We are into AI testing on Gmail API. We will enable this one. So now in this project, we enable the Gmail API. Okay, so if we see the library, so these all are the libraries. We check the credentials. We already have the credentials. So let me see this one. Okay, client ID we required, copy. Okay. We required a client ID. And we required what? We required client secret. I will delete that one, but don't use this one. Sign in. I give all the access and just continue. So we have Gmail access also now. Okay, Gmail account, we have that access now. Let's do one thing. Auth. We want to reply or something, get many. No, we want to send. So let's take this email only, or we want text in it. Okay, this is the message we have. HTML, that's it. Let's test this one. Okay, subject, it is subject. Okay, we need to remove this. Maybe subject we need to write. Execute previous notes. Let's write hi. Let's write this one. Write the subject daily market update. And it's done, or it's get us the sent. So if I check my email over there, so we got this one, the market update. So this way we can use the basic workflow, how you can use n8n workflow to send a Gmail for you. This is the chat interface and this is the basic chat we are using, but we are using a different workflow also. So I am using Grok chat. You can use OpenAI and different one. So in this video, we mostly learn about how you can make a single workflow where there is a trigger, where is the action, this is the action, and this is the middle part. What we are filtering out. So what we are making some of the decision in between. So this is our basic workflow, how you can send a mail using a chat. Now you can connect this to the Telegram also or WhatsApp also. We will see that thing in the coming lectures, but this is the basic workflow. Hope you like this video. We are Quanta AI Labs, mostly making videos on generative AI technologies and providing education in generative AI in English and Hindi. So this is our website. If you want any service in generative AI, so we provide that. And this is our course website, where if you want to learn about any technology, just like n8n automation, AI tools, generative AI mastery online, and the ComfyUI online offline. All the courses are live classes, and these are our workshop which is going on every month, some different topics. Just like in this workshop, we talk about how to build a resume with AI in just 2 hours. Just like I made like this. So if I click on this, this is my resume, which is anyone can access with this link. So hope you like this video. If you like the video, subscribe our channel. We are coming up with the n8n workflows a lot in coming videos. Thank you.